Hello guys, welcome to beginner friendly course on Power BI. In this course, we will be exploring what is Power BI, why should we use it, and what are the best practices using which we can convert the raw Excel file data into amazing Power BI visuals. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool. It is developed by Microsoft and it helps to convert the raw data or the traditional data which we store in text files, Excel files, CSV files into amazing visuals which can help us to take business decisions. Now, without wasting the time, let's understand about Power BI. As you can see on the screen, Power BI is a business intelligence tool that is developed by Microsoft and that helps to analyze, visualize, and share data easily. Power BI is a business intelligence tool that makes it simple to transform raw numbers into interactive dashboard, visuals, and reports. Power BI is one of the best tools developed by Microsoft for analyzing your business, tracking your progress, and take decisions based on the visuals that are developed based on your data. Now let's move ahead. So the first question that comes in your mind is why should we use Power BI? So the basic advantages or the benefits of Power BI are it's user friendly. No coding is required for most of the task, which is a plus point. Powerful data analysis, which is handle large datasets with ease. Means you can feed Power BI with millions of records and it will work, process and execute all the your required steps with ease. The next point is beautiful visualization. The Power BI creates interactive charts, graphs and dashboards and also keeps itself updated with new type of visual possible such as stack bar chart, graph, donut, pie chart and many more. We will be exploring as much as visuals we can explore. And the last is real world application. Let's explore about this last point in depth. As you can see on the screen, the real world applications are first sales and marketing. So Power BI can help us to track sales performance and customer trends, which can help us to find what mindset the customer has and in which type of trend the customer is investing more or spending more. And if customer is spending more, you will get more profit. So this is the use of Power BI. And the next is finance, analyzing budgets, expenses, and financial reports. So if you're running a MNC, then it's very important for you to analyze your budget, track expenses, and generate financial reports, which will help us to generate more profits and reduce cost. The next point is supply chain. In this, monitoring inventory, logistic, and demand forecasting is done using Power BI reports. And the last but not least point is healthcare. Analyze patient data and hospital performance. So these were the main four applications in which Power BI is used. Apart from this, there are a lot of many applications. Now let's move ahead. Now let's start. So the first step is to install Power BI. To install Power BI, Microsoft has already added Power BI in Microsoft Store. So let's visit the Microsoft Store by just clicking on the search bar and typing Microsoft. And as you can see, Microsoft Store is up here. Just click on it and open it. And in the search option, I will simply type Power BI and hit enter. So this is Power BI and I want this, which is Power BI desktop app. So I will simply click on it and just click on the install button. The size of this Power BI desktop app is around 750 MPs. So it will take time to download. Just click on install button and the app will be automatically downloaded and installed in your system. So this was a basic step of Power BI installation and introduction to it. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.